So I'm a bit of a bargain shopper. I mean, let's face it, who isn't? Who doesn't love a great deal? So I really love it when I get offers to places that I frequent, or even sometimes I get offers like, let's say, for an oil change, or maybe a discount on new tires, something that I know I need, but I just haven't had the time to schedule the appointment yet. So, sometimes I'll get emails from dealerships, quite frequently actually, saying, here's an offer on an extended warranty. And, I try to save it and star it so I remember to go back to it. But then I forget. I mean, look, my intentions were good, but let's face it, I get busy and I forget. Well, what if I told you that we have the technology for your dealership that you could literally send, now listen to me, lock screen messages, like lock screen reminders to, and bear with me a second here because I'm trying to pull you up an example. Exact like this, like a lock screen. Now, of course, this is a screenshot, but this is basically, those little reminders that you get when your screen is locked. Well, now, when someone visits your website or sees that special on Facebook that you've posted about, an oil change or, a tire special, now, when they're in any one of the 10 hot zones that you've designated, they're going to get a reminder. That's what we all need now. We need reminders of the offers that we want to take advantage of. So this is great technology. Only Gatehouse has this right now, this lock screen reminder technology. So now you can serve up your message to your customers at their competition. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have been affected by the big box stores that sell tires. Well, now you can serve up your special deal while they're in Costco or Walmart or wherever. You pick the hot zones, whether it's one of your competitors, one of your competing dealerships down the street, could be a finance offer, anything. But this is the cool part. Come on, lock screen technology. Everybody needs a reminder of a great deal. DM me, and hopefully I can come out and show you a live example of what it'll look like for your dealership. Bye.